Сәлеметсіздер ме, құрметті студенттер, сіздерді жаңа оқу жылымен құттықтаймын. Сіздерге жаңа оқу жылында сәттілік тілеймін. Менің есімім Жұмабаева Әйгерім Жорабековна. Мен ағылшын тілі мұғалімі боламын. Hello dear students, my congratulations on the beginning of the new knowledge day. And I wish you in this year good education and good luck. I am your English teacher and my name is Жұмабаева Әйгерім Жорабековна. And now let's start our today's new lesson. Today's new lesson is verb to be. Now let's see the presentation of the verb to be. Okay, dear students, you can see in here the presentation of be, and the extra lesson for you is yes or no questions. Now let's continue our lesson. Before reading this conversation, we must learn the form of be. With subject I, we use am. You must say I am. With subject you, we use are. With he and she, it, we use is. And we say it's plural form. We use are. Okay, students, you must learn them and repeat. Now continue on. When we use the verb be, first we use the verb be before nouns. I am a firefighter. It's example. Then he is a photographer, and the last they are lines. Then we use verb to be before adjectives. For example, I am busy. Adjective in here, the busy. When he is afraid, then it's hungry. Hungry, afraid, busy, they are adjectives. Then we use verb to be before prepositional phrases. Examples: she is in the shower. She is from Japan. He is under the bed. In the shower, from Japan, under the bed, they are prepositional phrases. Now, read them, students. If you have already understood, we are going to learn the short form. If you put up between subject and verb be apostrophe, you can get the short form like this. I am a student, you can say I'm a student. Then Sam is from China. Sam is from China, but short form Sam is from China. And the long form they are excited, you can say they are excited. Like this, I am a student, Sam is from China, they are excited. Then practice for you students. Talk with a partner about these pictures. Maybe just you can do it. Use the verb be and the contractions. In the air, upset, painter, shocked. Example: of course, he is shocked. Then, what do you think about these maybe three pictures? First, what are they doing? I think, of course, she is upset because she is crying maybe. Then, they are painters. Of course, they are painting and they are painters. And the last, it is in the air. Now, thank you, students. Continue on. And the negative form. Negative form is easy for you too. If you put after verb be not just word not here, you can get the negative form. For example, I'm not. Then you are not, you can say you aren't. Then it's short form. You can say you are not and you aren't too. He is not, he isn't. She is not, she isn't. It is not, it isn't. You are not, they are not, you can say you aren't and they aren't. Okay, repeat, students, them and learn them. Now practice to make negative contractions for these sentences. For example, he is happy, but in this picture, I think he is not happy. Okay, he is not happy and he isn't happy. It is negative form. If he is smiling, you can say he is happy. But if you see this picture, I think he isn't happy, and you must say he isn't happy. Then they are teachers. How can you say use maybe the negative form? Of course, they are not teachers, or maybe they aren't teachers. I'm from the US. You can say I'm not from the US. And we are single. You can say we are not single or we aren't single. You can use the first form and the second form too. Now continue. And the questions. The verb be comes before the subject in questions, like this. She is at school. If you change the place with she and is, you can get the questions. Maybe you changing the places. Is she at school? Then they are young. Of course, are they young? You can get the questions. Then practice. Change the statements into questions. Example, she is a teacher. Yes, is she a teacher, you can say. And students, can you do this, change maybe these sentences, question form here into Sam and Lisa are in class. How can you ask? Now, very good. Are Sam and Lisa in class? It's question form. Then he's late. Is he late? Of course. And I am busy. Am I busy? Yeah. Okay, students. If you have already understood, we can continue. And extra information for you. Don't use contractions in affirmative short answers. For example, like this. Are you new here? You can't answer yes I am. You must answer yes I am in long form, not in short form. You must learn them too and repeat. Like this. Yes, I am. And talk, practice for you. Talk with a partner about these pictures. Use the verb be and contractions. Example, is it broken? You must say yes, it is. Am I at the right house? No, you aren't. Are they in love? They are aggressive and they aren't in love here. No, they aren't. Is he late? Yes, he is late. And your homework, you must repeat all our grammar lesson. And today's lesson too, you must make sentences using the verb to be, 5 sentences in positive, in negative, and in question 2. Lesson is over. Goodbye, students. See you next lesson. Goodbye.